Emotions ran high in the courtroom today during the second day of the trial of Jacob Bumpass. Now, he's the man charged in the 2010 disappearance and death of Paige Johnson.
Her mother was the first to take the stand. WCPO 9 News reporter Valerie Lyons is live in Clermont County. Now, Valerie, her testimony, the mom's testimony, lasted several hours.
Yeah, Tanya, emotional would be an understatement. Donna Johnson was in tears from the get-go, and she broke down several times, even during the first round of questioning by prosecutors. And her last response to them, which seemed to suggest that Jacob Bumpass was responsible for her daughter's death. Remember, this is not a murder trial. He is only charged with tampering with evidence and abuse of a corpse. But that last response to the prosecutors actually got an objection from both the defense and the judge. They said that comment was so irrelevant and uncalled for. The defense even filed a motion for mistrial. But after a brief break, the judge ultimately decided to deny that motion and just told the jury to disregard what they had just heard.
Why wouldn't you make sure she was safe?
A mother overcome with grief, asking a question that's haunted her for more than a decade.
Why would you not take her to the door?
34-year-old Jacob Bumpass sat just feet away, watching as Donna Johnson took the stand Tuesday.
Did Jacob Bumpass ever, in any way, attempt to search for your daughter, Paige Johnson?
Following opening statements from the prosecution and defense, Johnson was the first to testify, detailing the last night she saw her 17-year-old daughter, Paige, alive. It was September 22, 2010. Around 10:30 p.m., Johnson said Paige asked if she could go to her older sister's apartment. Before she fell asleep, Johnson said she gave the okay, thinking a known friend would give Paige a ride.
I thought that she was going with Jason, who I knew and trusted.
A decision the defense questioned later, pushing Johnson over the edge.
Am I on trial for being a bad mother? Because I'll just say I'm a bad mother. My daughter is gone. Okay? I should have been a better mom and not have let her leave. I know that. You don't have to remind me of it. I think about it every day.
Both sides say she instead got a ride from Bumpass, who was 22 at the time. The defense argues Bumpass dropped Paige off at the corner of 15th and Scott in Covington, a few blocks away from her sister's apartment, but prosecutors say Paige never showed up there. Johnson said she got a phone call the next day to prove that.
We had talked and I said something about Paige and she said Paige wasn't there.
She said she grew worried, calling Paige's friends. With no answers, she said she called police. She said it didn't take long before she learned Paige was last seen with Bumpass, a person Johnson said she had only learned of less than a month earlier from a photo in Paige's room.
I just got really scared when I saw the picture because of the size difference and the age difference and everything. I just got a really bad feeling.
She said she knocked on Bumpass's door. Because Paige didn't have her own phone, Johnson said she asked to see his to see who Paige may have called that night. But she said he denied her. Prosecutors then asked about the many searches Johnson led to find Paige. When they asked if Bumpass took part.
No.
Only slammed the door in your face?
That's correct.
Now, Paige's older sister, Brittany Haywood, was the second to take the stand today, but the defense hadn't even finished questioning her when the judge decided to just call it for the day, given the time. So court will resume tomorrow morning at 9. The judge says possibly even earlier to allow the defense to finish their cross-examination with Haywood, and then, as the judge says, hopefully pick up the pace for the rest of this trial. For now, live in Batavia, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.